Today I'm using the KEDSUM car dolly set of 4 to move a mid-size SUV, and if you've ever tried to reposition a dead vehicle in a garage or driveway, these things make it way easier. Each set is rated for 6,000 pounds, and the fully welded, thicker iron pipe construction feels solid, no flex, no sketchy welds. Each dolly has a double V-shaped recessed cradle that the tire naturally kind of settles into when you lower it down. This keeps it centered and prevents it from slipping while you're moving the vehicle. And to use them, it's super easy. You just jack up one wheel at a time. Start with a front tire. Driver or passenger side, it really doesn't matter. Front wheels are just easier to control and typically steer locked, which helps prevent movement. Now chock the rear tire on the opposite side of the wheel that you're lifting. So if you start with the front driver's side tire, chock the rear passenger side tire. Then just jack up the tire, slide the dolly underneath, and then lower the jack in the vehicle onto the dolly. You absolutely want to lock the dolly brakes after this until you're ready to move it. Then you'll simply move diagonally and repeat the exact process. If you did the front driver's side first, then you'll move to the opposite rear, and then back to the front, finally finishing off with the remaining rear. Doing it diagonally is the more controlled, beginner-friendly method and the one that most shops use. Once the vehicle's on the dollies, the 360-degree swivel nylon casters let you move it sideways, pivot it, or push it straight back. 2 of the wheels lock, which is huge for control and absolutely necessary, especially on slight slopes like you see here. And these are perfect for home garages, DIYers, mechanics, detailers, and really anyone dealing with tight spaces. If you're moving a non-running car, repositioning an SUV, maybe you need to move a four-wheeler or dirt bikes, or have a small shop and need to keep some cars mobile while you work on them, or you just want precise control without dragging tires. These do exactly what they're supposed to do. I've had a number of KEDSUM products, and I can tell you that through and through they make an excellent quality product no matter what it is, and these are no exception. So if you're in the market for something like this, or perhaps you know somebody that is, or that this would make a good gift for, give them a shot. You won't be disappointed. And as always, I really hope this was helpful. Reach out anytime with questions or concerns, and have a great day.